Hi guys, and welcome back to Tim's Trades. This is the third of our technical analysis tutorial videos. It's long overdue, I'm sorry, I've been busy. This one I always want to get out is about divergencies. So divergencies, if you don't know, are simply using your RSI, your relative strength index, and looking for price to do the opposite of the RSI. Now there are four different types. The two most powerful ones are regular bullish divergence and regular bearish divergence. So I'll discuss those first of all. What I've got on here is Bitcoin on the weekly chart, and the reason I've brought this up is because it's got some very simple examples of bullish and bearish divergence, and it gives, you know, they're really good to illustrate. So let's kick off here, and we'll start by looking at a regular bearish divergence. So we go back here to 2021 in this double top, if you like. You've got this move, this high here, then a wee big dump off, I remember it because I lost the pile of cash, and then the second top here. But if you look down to the RSI, price has gone up, but the RSI has gone down. That is regular bearish divergence, and on a weekly time frame, that's a very powerful signal. And as you can see, it basically signaled the end of the market, and price continued away down. So let's draw that on there. You've got this top here to there. Let's make this red. We want red for bearish divergence, and you've got these tops here. We can call them anyone, it doesn't really matter. You can start seeing it here, but I would say, yeah, about here. Let's prop it from here to here. So there is your divergence. And so let's get a visual representation of that, and it's this widening. It's this shape. That's divergences, or price is just doing the opposite of RSI. So it's moving apart, widening funnel, if you like. Price up, RSI down. Now, what's key about these is they need to be pivot points, and it's relatively easy to see that here on the RSI and on the weekly chart, because it's a distinct kind of pivot point. You know, these do give you some sort of heads up. You would say it's a forward-looking kind of thing, but it's not going to give you the top. It's not, but it's going to give you the idea. Like a weekly bearish signal is a powerful signal. So the price is probably already down here before you get this signal, but it's letting you know, okay, it might continue on for a longer period, and it certainly did in this case. So let's get rid of it, or leave them for the meantime. So the opposite, what we're looking for this time is the opposite shape, which is fundamentally this, narrowing. And we're looking this time on the bottom side. That's an important factor I've missed out actually, guys, is when you're looking for bearish divergences, they're on the upper point. So yep, and when you're looking for bullish divergences, they're on the underside here. Alrighty, so we need a bullish divergence. We'll find one here somewhere, I'm sure, as the market swings from the bear market to the bull market. And what we're looking for this time, as I said, is this shape here. We've got price coming down. Let's make this green for bullishness, and RSI going up. So that is bullish divergence, and again a very powerful signal. You can see that over this period of time, price continued on its way up. So there's your regular bearish and your regular bullish divergence, and again on these long time frames, these are very powerful signals. Now there's two more, which are, you would guess, some people say they're not as powerful. I use them a lot, and you've got two different bullish and bearish ones, but they're called hidden bullish or hidden bearish, and they're based only on a trend. So there has to be an uptrend for a hidden bullish, and there has to be a downtrend for hidden bearish. They're also called continuation divergences, and you know, they're still powerful. I use them a lot, particularly on the 3 kind of in 5-day charts when I'm looking for my long positions, you know. So let's try and find some continuation divergence. Let's dive down here to a daily time frame, and it might be a wee bit easier to discover. So what we're looking for this time, if we look for hidden bullish divergence, is this time we want the RSI to be coming down, and you want price to be coming up in an uptrend. So we know we've got an uptrend. It's a long ongoing uptrend, and you can see immediately right here. Let's make this blue when it comes on, but you could just drop in this low here to this one here, and we'll make this blue for hidden bullish divergence, and then from these lows here to that higher point there. So that is your hidden bullish divergence, so it's or continuation divergence. And you can see in this case, this was a really powerful kind of signal that things were going up on even the daily time frame, a huge drive of continuation divergence, let's call it that. So the opposite for the bearish is obviously going to be when RSI is going up but price is going down. I'm sure we'll find one somewhere in this bear market. So we want RSI, we want price going up, but RSI going down. Price going up, RSI going down. Here we go. Bound to be some in here. Come on. What about that high to that high? No. Slightly. No. Price is going up there. No. Come on, hidden bearish divergence, where are you? This is one I typically don't use, but it is the same. It's, you know, it's just as powerful as your hidden bullish. But we need a downtrend. Bound to be somewhere over the rainbow. There. Price down, RSI up. Okay, we found him, he's over here. There. Okay, let's make this one brown. It's what I typically don't use, as I pointed out, but it's one to be keeping an eye out for. Why won't that change colour? God damn you! Change brown. I want you brown. I want to hide it. Okay, cool beans. So we got it there. We got our hidden bearish divergence there. RSI going up, price going down. So that's them all, guys. Alrighty, let's recap very briefly. And that's it in terms of your divergences. Basically, we need to go back on the weekly to get these ones. You've got your regular bearish and your regular bullish. These are the most powerful. These are the ones that are really going to give you a strong bias. And in this case, we've got the tops here for regular bearish down at the bottom, the bullish, price coming down, RSI going up. This is the key one, because most people are going to be looking for long positions. Get this on a weekly, get this on a 5-day, and boom shakalak, you can tell prices are going off. So this is your bog standard indicator. I've got one actually, which I might as well show you. I'm not shilling this, you have to buy it, but I use it all the time because it saves me doing any deep digging. It's got it all for me. Look, this is Cutler's or on pain RSI. So it's giving me all the juice, it's giving me all the stuff I need to know. Let's go dive in here and see what we can find. I mean, a lot of coins. I was been shelling Lumerin a lot lately because I could see there was fantastic bullish upside coming on this actually. And gosh, I've got so many indicators on here. Let's get rid of Mr. Crown's bands, and let's put on caretakers on chart on pain. RSI divergence, and you'll see, I'm sure on the 2-day and 3-day and stuff, we've got some regular bullish divergence. This was coming alongside other volatility based indicators were giving me a really strong bias for upside. I was calling it down here, and lo and behold, it pumped like a maddie. There we go. 3-day regular bullish divergence came in right here. I was shilling this all over the place. I hope you were listening, because it's given us fantastic move up here. Also, we got regular bullish 2 drives of on the 5-day. You can see these work, and if you're using these things alongside volatility indicators, which I'll be talking about on my next video, then you can really get some fantastic trade setups. Hope you enjoyed the content, guys. Like and subscribe, and thank you.